How would you like to work in a small rural community where you get to know your customers by name? A place where students get the best education and a place filled with friendly neighbors and good people? Then check out Clark County's careers. Do you like working with your hands? Do you like working with state-of-the-art technology? Let's look at WisconsinBench Manufacturing. WB Manufacturing is located in Thorpe, Wisconsin, and they continue to grow and provide quality solutions across various markets. WB Manufacturing is one of the largest manufacturers of butcher block, laminate, and shop top composition bench tops and flat panels in North America. Let's take a closer look at some of the plant positions you might find available at WB Manufacturing. A BAZ Level 3 operator runs and scans parts through the BAZ as efficiently as possible while meeting production goals and standards. A BAZ Level 3 operator must maintain a clean and organized work area, efficiently run production of parts, and have the ability to change and calibrate tools. A BAZ Level 3 operator is also expected to scan work orders to load programs, practice proper safety rules and procedures, complete necessary paperwork, and identify and report defective or damaged parts. Some physicality is also required for this position. You must have the ability to stand for long periods of time, can lift 50 pounds, bend, twist, and turn repeatedly, can read and comprehend written documents, and have acute visual and auditory capabilities. This position requires the high school diploma or GED, excellent problem-solving abilities, good organizational skills, an understanding of metric values and variables, airlift training, ability to read and use calipers and micrometers, and basic computer experience. An Armor Edge sprayer must evenly spray products to meet company standards. The duties of an Armor Edge sprayer include reading the machine for spraying, spray tops, assisting cleaning tops of overspray, and verify work orders. The physical requirements for this position include the ability to stand for long periods of time, can lift 50 pounds, can bend, twist, and turn repeatedly, must be able to pass the respirator fit test, and have acute visual capabilities. The qualified candidate for this position will have a high school diploma or GED, respirator training, safety training as in the cleanup and disposal of chemicals, and knowledge of the spray system and gun. A Level 2 material handler at WB Manufacturing must stage raw materials and move finished product to areas as needed as efficiently as possible. The primary functions of a material handler include stage layup according to the agenda, must move and consolidate material from panel saw to pre-layup staging area, move shelving to packaging area, move all laid-up materials to appropriate machine staging area, and transport finished BAZ materials to the proper area. A Level 2 material handler must also sort and organize cull boards and coordinate material handling with the maple plant. The physical requirements of this position include the ability to stand for long periods of time, lift 50 pounds, bend, twist, and turn repeatedly, and you must have acute auditory and visual capabilities. If you have a high school diploma or GED, good organizational skills, good communication skills, a knowledge of work order routing, a knowledge and location of materials, and airlift training, you could be a Level 2 material handler at WB Manufacturing. If you worked in the maintenance department, it would be your responsibility to provide general maintenance support for the facility and equipment as needed to enable the company to meet production goals and standards. Your duties would include analyzing electrical, mechanical, and operations problems and take corrective action to fix them, make necessary corrections, and make running adjustments to maintain maximum production and quality of products. The physicality of this position requires you to stand for long periods of time, lift 70 pounds, can handle stress, have strong visual and auditory skills, and must be able to bend, twist, and turn. The qualifications for this position include a high school diploma or GED, but additional schooling experience is preferred. You must also have 3 years maintenance experience in a similar field, woodworking, CNC machinery experience a plus, and knowledge of tools for repairing equipment. You must also have the ability to read and follow schematics, a knowledge of manufacturing operating systems, detail-oriented with a high level of accuracy, a knowledge of company policy and procedures, and intermediate computer knowledge and skills. Employees at WB Manufacturing have a great opportunity to advance with the company. You could become a team leader. As a team leader, you will lead and develop team members in their assigned work areas while focusing on continuous improvement during the manufacturing process. You must also make sure all employees have the tools and knowledge necessary to allow them to function at their highest level and enable them to meet all production and scheduling goals in a safe work environment. Some of the essential functions of a team leader include helping with the scheduling of work areas according to the availability of work, work and team members, train new team members and continually train current team members, including cross-training, monitor work areas, including the accomplishment of production goals, cleanliness of facility, enforcement of company policies, and safety practices. There are many other skills an effective team leader at WB Manufacturing must have. The physical requirements of this position include the ability to stand for long periods of time, can lift 50 pounds, can handle stress, and you must have strong visual and auditory skills. The qualified candidate for this position will have a high school diploma or GED, a knowledge of product. You must also be detail-oriented with a high level of accuracy and have intermediate computer knowledge and skills. More comfortable in an office than on the manufacturing floor? Not a problem. WB Manufacturing has many office positions available as well. Some of the office positions you can find include the engineering manager, a graphic designer, human resource manager, sales, marketing, reception, shipping coordinator, and more. Each of these positions requires various levels of education and knowledge, but the common threads with all these positions include at least a high school diploma with additional schooling, must be able to work in a team environment, excellent communication skills, and more. WisconsinBench Manufacturing is an equal opportunity employer. If you'd like to learn more about WisconsinBench Manufacturing and the positions available, visit their website at www.wibenchmfg.com. If you'd like to learn more about Clark County, visit their website at www.clark-cty-wi.org.